Well, because that's too, well, not almost too low. You know? I mean, it's too high. Alright, no one else stop recording. Are you on me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we are in the Gold's Gym Mecca of South Dakota right now. This is the gym that I grew up in since I was a teeny beepy bopper. Yeah, we're back for a little Christmas holiday and we're getting some good workouts in. It's fun to go to different gyms because there's different equipment. Like, we don't have this bag machine. We don't really have jack shit, right? Yeah, it's a commercial gym, like what do you expect? But this is more of like a not commercial gym, so the vibes are a little bit cooler. There's not 10 million people here. And yeah, enjoy the video. Welcome. Give it a thumbs up. We started out with deadlifts. It was so didn't go too heavy, but yeah, let's get after it. Unless I start fire.
You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I start fire. You're the sunflower. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around.